What's going on? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? What's happening, guys? Coach Ben here. Hey, listen, man, we found the secrets, man. Unlocking the secrets of the wealthy. I've read the book many, many times, and you have to have heard of Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Rich people do not work hard to get rich. They think and grow rich. They use their minds, they use collaborations, they leverage systems and opportunities. And guys, this is what we're going to talk about in the next few minutes, where I'm going to show you how to use other people's money, the bank's money, with a small transaction, moving your a $50 transaction from your bank to open up a new bank, okay? And then they give you $25 just for that. And every time you help someone else do that simple transaction, you're going to get $75 paid to you immediately, up to $10,000 a year. Ladies and gentlemen, that's free money. And in these times right now, it is absolutely urgent and imperative for us to be able to put money in circulation, get access to cash flow, pay down debt, reserve cash, put money away for emergencies. People are getting laid off left and right, but they were living paycheck to paycheck. But imagine if they had $10,000, $100,000 sitting in the bank or in a reserve that they could pull from, so that they can be in a position to survive while they move to their next phase of their careers. But most people, unfortunately, were living paycheck to paycheck, even at six-figure income earners living check to check. So, guys, that's not what this conversation is about. It's about a source. I want to give you the plug, guys. Unlocking the secrets of the wealthy, guys. We have a bank called SoFi. You may have heard of it, but did you know that SoFi will pay you $75 every time you help someone set up a SoFi account? It's a referral program. It's you just so the bottom line is, if you go and take $50 from your traditional bank and then basically open up a SoFi account, they're going to give you $25 immediately. So when your bank opens up, you'll get $75. Then you'll get a referral link and you'll send that out to everybody you know. And guess what? Every time they set up an account, immediately you're going to get $75, $75, $75, up to $10,000 a year. But what I want to do real quick, I want to show you. If you wanted to take you can scan this code QR code here and get access to my referral link. But let me show you a quick video. I love this SoFi video. One moment.
This isn't a story about basketball. This is a story about money. I've always been driven to get my money right. As a kid, I watched my mom struggle financially, but she always made what we had work. Her sacrifice allowed me to pursue my dreams, to create generational wealth. For her, for my son, and while everyone's path is different, our desire for financial freedom is the same. I'm partnering with SoFi because I believe they're what banking should be. They care about making your money work for your ambitions, just like my mom did for me. Recognize a generational player. Join the official bank of the NBA. SoFi, get your money right.
Guys, it's the official bank of the NBA and the NFL. SoFi, get your money right. Guys, I know you probably already have a banking account. I have multiple bank accounts. I use SoFi for putting in savings and leveraging the fact that it has a trading platform. You could go in there and trade stocks, ETFs. You could do fractional shares of stocks, crypto. I mean, there's so many ways you can invest in IPOs, things of that nature. You can use it for consolidating your debt. You could get student loans, all kinds of components of banking inside of SoFi. You want to take advantage of it. But the great thing is, as you set this account up, you can make some great income. Listen, guys, so bottom line is just to reiterate, you open up your SoFi account, let that be your savings and investment account or your emergency account or your travel account, whatever. Everybody has designated bank accounts. By simply transferring $50 over from a traditional bank, you can't transfer from a Cash App or whatever, but it has to be a traditional bank to open up your SoFi account. You earn $25 immediately. Once you do that, you want to basically you'll get a SoFi link that will allow you to refer other people to open up a bank account as well. They do exactly what you did, and then you're going to get paid $75, $75, $75. We have a referral link that you'll be able to use. We have like a landing page that we can create for you that will explain all this. So you don't have to do a whole lot of talking. I'm not into talking a lot if I don't have to. And I encourage you to take advantage of the landing page, but you don't have to at all. And then once you do that, understand this, guys, you can take that first money, those first few dollars, $75, 125, 150, 300, whatever, and invest it into another business, a passive income stream. So now if you look at it, and this is where the wealthy becomes wealthier than most, they don't use their money. You didn't use your money to start businesses, investments. You took your $50, you put it into a bank, SoFi. That money, your money was still there, but you earned $25. And then as you referred other people, you started making more money up to $10,000. Now you're using house money to go and invest in other businesses. I can show you other businesses that you could get involved with for as little as 150 bucks. 50 bucks actually, for as little as $50, and it can bring you an amazing residual income. Guys, we have a landing page that is sexy. It really explains everything that I'm going over. Go to sharingpaysdaily.com. Sharingpaysdaily.com. You could go to this QR code, sharingpaysdaily.com. We can show you how to get your money right, baby. Now is the time to get it done and build that economy where what we're looking to do is show people as a community how to build our own economy, man. We don't have to rely on others. If we just simply come together as a community, if you really think about this, if $10,000 divided by 75, we're talking about 133 people. 133 people, people who says, man, you know what? That's a great idea. This is not a scam. This is not something where I got to recruit people. This is not, I could just simply introduce folks to a banking concept where they just simply open up a whole new bank account. There's nothing new. We've done it before and get paid for it. What? And by doing that, you're building your own economy. Now, again, you could take that money that you've generated there, use house money to use to invest in other vehicles. Guys, this is absolutely amazing. You cannot afford not to be open and creative when it comes to generating more revenue. Guys, I want you to make sure you go to sharingpaysdaily.com. Share this with everybody you know. If you're on my YouTube channel, like and share. If you're on my, I guess, TikTok whatever you guys do there, I'm brand new to TikTok, guys. Do what you do there, tap, 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 and all that good stuff. And man, guys, let's go get it. Be safe, be careful. Love you guys.